GoHighLevel affiliate program. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and going through literally everything you need to know about the GoHighLevel affiliate program so you can start promoting it, how you can sign up for it, and start actually making money with it. And we're also going to be showing you how you can actually promote your link so you can actually start getting referrals and sales inside of GoHighLevel as soon as possible. So with that being said, let's get started with today's GoHighLevel affiliate program review. And if you actually want to go ahead and sign up for the GoHighLevel affiliate program, I'll provide a link down below in the video description, as well as a 30-day free trial of the software for GoHighLevel so you can actually test out the platform, use the platform, and start promoting GoHighLevel today. Alright, so as you guys can see on screen, this is going to be the page where you can go ahead and actually sign up for the GoHighLevel affiliate program. And what I'd recommend as well is to actually go ahead and create a free trial of GoHighLevel if you don't already have it already, by clicking the top link down below to sign up for a special 30-day free trial from my link. And you'll also get access to my bonuses, which will literally teach you like how to obviously make money with GoHighLevel. Like, this is just outside the affiliate program. And I also show you how you can actually rank on Google and YouTube so you can actually get traffic to YouTube videos, and you can apply the same ranking methods when it comes to like ranking on YouTube and Google to actually promote your GoHighLevel affiliate videos. For example, like review videos, other type of videos that you might want to create to promote GoHighLevel, so you can actually go ahead and have a bit of success with that as well. And you get all of that when you sign up for an affiliate, all through a 30-day free trial link through my special link down below, as a way of me saying thank you and to give you the best possible head start with GoHighLevel. So as you guys can see right here, with the GoHighLevel affiliate program, you can actually earn reoccurring commissions. So you can earn 40% recurring commissions. Basically, that means that when someone signs up through your affiliate link and they keep on using the platform for years and years to come, you keep on getting monthly recurring commissions off that one person for months and months and months on end, even potentially years, if that person continues to use the software for years to come. So that means you only have to make one sale to earn multiple sales with that same person for years to come, potentially, if they've stayed with the platform for long enough. And I've actually had plenty of customers that have been using GoHighLevel for years, and I still earn money from them just for signing up for, like, let's just say 2 years ago, which is crazy. So that is the big potential behind the GoHighLevel affiliate program. So if we go over here, the GoHighLevel affiliate program is inside of First Promoter. So once you go over here to basically join the affiliate program by clicking the top link down below, you can see that you'll come to a page that looks something like this. And then as you can see, you just got to pretty much put in your information. So your first name, last name, email, all that type of stuff right here. And then you just want to basically agree to the terms of service right here and click on sign up. Once you go ahead and do that, you'll be inside the First Promoter dashboard that you can see right here on screen. And this is basically where you can see how much money is going to be paid in 11 days in this case, like the total amount that's going to be unpaid and a total paid. So this is going to be a demo account for today's video, so I can show you a user interface of how the GoHighLevel affiliate program works. So you can see right here, there's multiple different campaigns. I wouldn't really worry about all these different campaigns in general. These are just like different features and products inside of GoHighLevel. So I'll just worry about the high-level affiliate program right here. I'll click on that right here, and this is where you're going to be getting all your main affiliate links. So the first thing right here is if you click on this link right here on screen, you'll see that this will take you to the GoHighLevel 14-day free trial page, which is great. But the thing is, when you want to get more conversions and more people signing up for your link, it's better to offer them a 30-day free trial. So you see right here, because I'm one of their top affiliates, I actually have a custom 30-day free trial page right here, and that's basically going to help with conversions a lot. But the thing is, you won't be having a custom landing page right off the bat because you're obviously going to be a new affiliate. But that's the bad news. But the good news is that you can actually go inside of the affiliate dashboard right here, and you can see that GoHighLevel actually has a 30-day free trial high-level bootcamp link that you can actually promote. So that means that you too can actually go ahead and promote a 30-day free trial link to increase your conversions, which I can tell you from experience dramatically increases your conversions a lot. So right off the bat, instead of promoting the default affiliate link right here, I would go ahead and actually promote the 30-day free trial link right here that you can see on screen. And as you can see, this is going to be pretty much like the same thing. It's not going to be a custom landing page, but the people that you're promoting GoHighLevel to will get a 30-day free trial plus the live bootcamp as well. So this is a great offer to promote to your audience to maximize conversions. There are other links as well. So for example, like at the time recording today's video, there's like a special promo with the summer AI. So this is basically promoting some of the AI features inside of GoHighLevel and things of that nature. So you can promote different offers like this, but for the most part, I'll just typically go ahead and promote the 30-day free trial link. That's what I'll strongly recommend. And then, you know, because I'm leading from example, like I'm showing you in this video, what I'd also recommend on top of basically promoting the 30-day free trial link is to offer bonuses to your audience. And this can be like custom, like done for you templates, like courses or other like, you know, material that can add value to the users that you're basically referring to GoHighLevel. So for example, in my video right here, I made a review video. You can see that when people sign up, they get access to all of these bonuses. So you'll be getting access to all these bonuses when you sign up through me. And basically, like what I offer is like the Launch Your Business Bootcamp, outreach templates, and proven client getting strategies. So this is going to help people that are looking to start an agency and who basically want to start making money off GoHighLevel. Sale funnels, sale call scripts, a full import of my client fulfillment systems, like all this right here. It's all designed to basically add value to the people that sign up through GoHighLevel from my link, to give them an unfair advantage and give them the best possible head start over everyone else, right? And then obviously like other bonuses right here, like the 100 best recurring niche affiliate programs, learn how to make high quality videos because people struggle to create videos and they can create them quite easily with AI. So I offer that as a bonus too. And then traffic bonuses like ranking on Google and YouTube, because not a big problem that business owners have is actually getting in front of real people. And when you actually get traffic and start ranking for different keywords, you're more likely to just have success in business in general. So that's why I offer these bonuses right here as a complete package to really give the people that are signed up for my link the best possible head start. So you want to basically not copy my bonuses. There's a lot of other like bonuses and a lot of GoHighLevel affiliates have different bonuses as well. But what I recommend is basically just giving like custom templates, and even like, for example, if you are willing to like basically like offer like a one-on-one kickoff call with your referrals. So anyone that signs up for your link basically gets like a one-on-one kickoff call, or maybe you can like help them build like a done for you funnel, or basically like do some sort of like done for you elements. This way, you know, people are going to be like, okay, I'd rather sign up through you, the person watching this video right now, because you're going to be offering them one-on-one, hand-on-hand, like personal services. It's not just a bunch of bonuses that you give out to like everyone. Like you literally have to be there and personally help out the person like one-on-one, which is very, very rare. So when you're starting to get your first 10 to 20 or 30 referrals, you can start doing this to get like a bunch of like people sign up for your link much more faster, which is what I strongly recommend. So now that we've covered the basics, what are some actual strategies to get your affiliate link in front of people? Now the easiest way would be if you're watching this video and you already have an audience. So that could be like an email list, that could be like a YouTube channel that has like a lot of subscribers, like maybe a big community in school, or like a Facebook community, maybe Instagram or Reddit, or like if you already have like an established audience, then this is going to make promoting GoHighLevel much easier. Okay, but if you don't have an established audience, don't worry, because you can still promote GoHighLevel in multiple other like ways as well. So first of all, if you have like any friends or family like that are interested in like business tools, then okay, that's going to be probably the easiest route, you know, if you don't have like an audience. But that's not really something that's going to help you scale promote GoHighLevel like properly to like a major audience. So what I recommend in this case would be to go ahead and actually create YouTube videos to promote GoHighLevel. That's always probably the best way, in my personal opinion, to go ahead and promote GoHighLevel. So in my case, for example, I made a review video. Now you have like people that sign up for my link based off this YouTube video that people are watching right here. So I'll create like tutorial videos, review videos. There's like a video right here where I show people like the AI Studio feature inside of GoHighLevel, so they can create websites and generate AI websites from scratch very quickly. And as you can see right here, if you're like looking for like video topics, you can see there's so many different videos we can create. So GoHighLevel review, a video about GoHighLevel automation, tutorials, voice AI. So let's just click on automation for an example. You can see that there are going to be a whole bunch of like different videos that you can create that are not going to be as competitive for GoHighLevel, which can get you like referrals and signups. So for example, if you just search up like GoHighLevel B, you can see all different video topics, you know, C, D. So it gives you like a bunch of different topics that people are searching for, and you can create videos around each single topic if you're really committed. And I promise you, if you do that, it'll be very hard for you not to get referrals and sales and trial signups for your affiliate link. I can tell you that much. And then you can see like what other people are doing as well, like some of the top affiliates, and you can get even more inspiration and more ideas based on what other people are doing. So you can see like what other people are doing Like for example, if this guy right here, he's making videos about selling smart websites to local businesses, or this guy made like a 5-hour long video teaching people like how to set up GoHighLevel, like an agency setup tutorial. So that's quite like a long video. So you can do this for like a bunch of other creators as well. You can see like other different keywords and just basically get like an idea of like what's basically getting views and what's getting results. You can also target particular genres of businesses. So for example, GoHighLevel for real estate agents. So you create like a video teaching people like how to use GoHighLevel for real estate, and then of course you're going to be attracting real estate clients. Again, real estate people have a lot of money, so for them paying like $97 or $297 a month for them to like help run their entire real estate business, it's going to be a no-brainer. They sign up for your link, they're happy because they have an amazing all-in-one powerful tool called GoHighLevel, and you're happy because you're earning recurring commissions off their subscription every single month. And then one more example to just end off the video, GoHighLevel, for plumbers. So GoHighLevel plumbing, you can see you can create dedicated content for people that are plumbers looking to sign up for GoHighLevel, because again, GoHighLevel is going to be great for local businesses, and you can target all the different types of local businesses for GoHighLevel as well. So that is pretty much it for today's GoHighLevel affiliate program review. Again, you can go through the link down below to get all of that set up so you can start promoting GoHighLevel and get all the bonuses to give you the best possible head start with not only GoHighLevel, but with also promoting the actual GoHighLevel affiliate program itself. So you can get the traffic bonuses and all the other bonuses to give you the best possible head start with GoHighLevel and your GoHighLevel affiliate promotion journey. So with that being said, thanks for watching today's GoHighLevel affiliate program review video.